A sleek 2025 Mazda 3 carves through the coastal highway, blending power and grace. Animated numbers and specs dance across the screen, revealing the hidden beast under the hood. The spirit of driving is reignited with the promise of a manual transmission, melding man and machine. The Rolls-Royce Spectre cuts a silent swath through the night-veiled city, a beacon of all-electric luxury. Within its opulent interior, a celestial canopy of starlight and softly illuminated door panels whispers of unparalleled elegance. The screen flashes with all-electric luxury, hinting at the groundbreaking innovation beneath its timeless facade. Animated infographics dance across the display, unveiling the potent battery range and raw horsepower that define its electric soul. A Mercedes AMG GLE 63S carves through a serpentine mountain road, a symphony of raw power and elegant control. The GLE 63S unleashes its staggering 603 horsepower, a testament to its unrivaled performance. In a breathtaking display of acceleration, the car rockets from 0 to 60 in a mere 3.4 seconds. Animated charts compare the performance metrics of two available trims, revealing the superiority of the GLE 63S. The Volvo XC90 elegantly navigates through the breathtaking Scandinavian landscape, its design a testament to understated luxury. Inside, a sanctuary of sophistication unfolds with open-pore wood trim and supple premium leather. Power and efficiency unite in a plug-in hybrid with 455 HP. Experience the freedom of up to 33 miles electric range. Unleash the potential of 3 engine choices and their respective horsepower.